Rolling out now, and he'll complete a wing over fuel, rudder and aileron inputs to keep the lift vector pointing upwards, preventing him from descending towards the ground. Cameras at the ready, folks, as Rich is now going to change direction. So you could fly some of the same aerobatic maneuvers seen here today. Rich is now going to change direction once again as he links a quarter clover into a wing over. The Air Cadets offer 50 pilot scholarships a year with a Grob tutor. Students following a syllabus akin to wing over, Rich is now going to complete a sequence of linked maneuvers named after his daughter, for the Amy role. For those of you that if you are between the age of 13 and 20 or at university, you can fly this exact aircraft and potentially with this exact sequence with Rich. All you need to do is join the Air Cadets, or if you're slightly older, join the university air squadron. Rich will now enter the final section of the display with a crowd favourite from the last season, the oblique loop. Best opportunity to catch final photos for you all. I'd initially like to take this opportunity to say a big thank you to our sponsors for the 2026 season. Our appreciation goes to the English Riviera airshow for hosting us today. For you and your support, boys and girls, 2026 Royal Air Force Tutor the Space Team.
Well, thank you very much, Ross. An ex-Royal Flying Corps airfield, but coming through the Humpty Bumpties now as Dave pushes the stick forward, and there you see a close-up view now of Kirsten on the top of the wing. These breathtaking acrobatics whilst the pilot is flying aerobatics. Coming into the centre now, opportunity for you to give Steve a wave, as he'll give you a little nod. A bit more support from the Navy and the Augusta Westland, and putting up in front of us now into the first manoeuvre of the day. Coming in at 100 feet, Bartlett, a laser-guided missile system, and also the Sea Venom, a guided anti-shipping missile. Massive windscreen full of sea there as he dips the aircraft directly in the sea, pulling out from the dive. Nigel and John Dodd actually acquired these from the previous owners, Andy Durston and John Gowdy, otherwise known as the Fireflies. Went on to study electrical engineering and actually started his career as a scientist for the Ministry of Defence before leaping in. And the cadence and the movement is right on the final end of the final syllable, and so that they both get that input on the controls exactly with their shoulders though as they complete. Able to be fitted with 3.7. This Harvard is the US version of pilot with a little heavier piston handling experience and invaluable as a training and assessment of the aircraft. Very much an acquired taste, having a little wheel at the back, the tail wheel, but also having a big powerful piston engine in the front, requiring a lot of wings. Harvard, give him a big wave. There he goes, he's giving you a wave as well. Well done, superb bit of flying once again from Chris. 18, fall back in 2021 for forming. I think you'll see will be a high octane, close formation aerobatics, rolls, loops, it in at 100 feet at 600 miles an hour. We're back down now at about 500 feet, keeping going. Now for the manoeuvre at Thomas Sound. This is the movement manoeuvre. Back onto the crown roll as you get through 450 degrees. Side turn. Rolling the jets initially through 300, pushing -3. Back. This is an extraordinarily versatile aircraft now, all the way back to around 120, 130 knots. A very high alpha position, as we call it, just before the air breaks away from the surface of the upper wing. But this is full of really clever computers.